Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ram Invented Tech. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to present a very interesting project based on Arduino Nano. In this project we can measure the distance of an object using an ultrasonic sensor. The components required for this project: Arduino Nano, ultrasonic sensor, OLED display, LED lights, one buzzer, and breadboard. Now I am connecting the jumper wires as per the circuit diagram. This circuit diagram link I given in the description. Now coding process. This is the code and these are all the libraries need to install. This is ultrasonic sensor pins and this one is LED light pins and this one is buzzer pin. Now select the Arduino Nano board and next select the communication port. After then click on upload the code. Now let's test the project. The measured distance is displayed on an OLED screen and also indicates with the LED lights and buzzer. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Ram Invented Tech. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.